I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
First, identify whether your Audi A4 uses R134A or R1234 if by checking the underhood refrigerant label and owner manual. That label shows the exact capacity in grams. For example, older A4s commonly list about 500 grams R134A. Always wear safety goggles and nitrile gloves and work outdoors or in a well-ventilated garage. Refrigerant is cold and can cause frostbite. Avoid skin contact and never inhale vapors. Use only labeled automotive refrigerants and certified tools. Start by connecting a quality set of manifold gauges and reading static pressures. At about 70 degrees F ambient temperature, a healthy system typically shows low 30-40 psi and high 200-250 psi under operation. Perform a leak test using an electronic sniffer or add UV dye and inspect with a UV lamp. Repair any leaks first. After repairs, evacuate the system with a vacuum pump to approximately 29.9 in Hg and hold for at least 30 minutes to remove moisture and air before charging. Weigh refrigerant on a digital scale and charge by mass, adding vapor only into the low side. For many older Audi A4s, this is about 500 grams R134A, while newer cars require R1234 if and a different mass. Run the engine and AC on max. Charge in short bursts while watching manifold pressures and the scale. Stop when you reach the manufacturer mass and expected running pressures. Verify cabin vent air drops to roughly 40-50 degrees F and ensure no unusual noises. Recover or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.